In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a campaign on Zoho CRM, taking you through the complete 2025 guide. Let's dive into the process together, ensuring we leave no stone unturned for a seamless campaign setup. To begin with, you'll want to start by going to the Zoho CRM homepage. You can find this easily in your preferred browser by heading to Zoho's website and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Campaigns option on your dashboard. Clicking on this will navigate you to the Campaigns section where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Campaigns area, you'll see a Create Campaign button. Click on this to start setting up your new campaign. When the campaign creation page appears, you're ready to go through several fields to input the essential details about your campaign. The first task is to choose a campaign owner. Click on the designated field and select the appropriate person who will oversee this campaign. This step ensures that there is clear accountability for tracking the campaign's progress. Next, you'll need to click on the campaign name field. Here, you'll enter an engaging and fitting name that reflects the campaign's purpose. Think of something catchy, yet descriptive. Following this, you'll need to set your campaign's start date. Clicking on this field opens a calendar where you can choose when to kick things off. It helps to consider any strategic timing that might benefit your campaign's performance. Moving on, input your campaign's expected revenue. This is your financial goal for the campaign results. Similarly, there is a field for actual cost where you can enter the budget you're working with. Keeping track of these two figures gives you a clear sense of the campaign's financial performance. Afterward, provide the numbers sent, which is a crucial metric in understanding your campaign's outreach scope. Then select your campaign's type by clicking on the corresponding field. This will typically reflect the marketing vehicle you're using, like email, social media, or a webinar. Don't forget to set the status of your campaign. This can vary from planning, active, to completed, depending on where you currently are in the process. Also, mark your end date to signify when the campaign will conclude. This is crucial for planning follow-ups and any post-campaign analyses. Next up, enter your budgeted cost, which reflects the estimated spend. After this, click on Expected Response to enter your anticipated response rate. This helps set realistic benchmarks and assess the campaign's effectiveness. Before wrapping up, take a moment to fill in the description information area. This space is perfect for including all relevant specifics about your campaign not covered in other fields. Once everything is entered and cross-checked, simply click the Save button to finalize your setup. And there you have it. Your campaign is now successfully created within Zoho CRM, ready to reach your audience and achieve your marketing objectives. Remember, thorough planning and detail orientation are the keys to any successful campaign.